Hi, this is the test for ADB for the Galaxy Watch 6 to prove the battery defect. Okay, so this is Windows. This is the date. Sorry, let me focus. 28 November. Okay. Yeah. First, let's find. First, let's find date. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. If we put location services. Yeah. Sorry. Date. There's my hand in here. Okay. Yeah. Set time zone automatically, so it could be shown that this is exactly the date, November 28th. Okay. Yeah. Secondly, this Windows is not hacked and is official. Like I can update. Let's check for updates for Windows 11 before making the test, okay, with ADB. Yeah. Also, now I'm running with Windows Security, the antivirus that comes with Windows 11 test, okay? Only 19 seconds, okay. Microsoft Defender Antivirus have found no threats. Okay, yeah, perfect. And as you can see, let's check today 9:36. Yeah, perfect. So we can start making the test with ADB, no ADB. Yeah. First, we have to download ADB. Here I have Edge, that is with the last update. Microsoft Edge, okay, is up to date. Well, we have to download ADB. That is an official setting to see like the status of an Android phone or an Android wearable. Okay, yeah, we put download here, and later we download for Windows. Agree with terms and conditions and download the last version of ADB. Save as desktop, and yeah, we have it in here. Yeah, because there wasn't a file in this place. Okay, well, yeah, we extract it. Yeah, here it appeared in here. Yeah, well, we open this folder and there it is, the program, but first we have to install it. Okay, so we're going to search and we put what was the word? Okay, yeah, I remember, sorry. Okay, variables, and we go to environment variables. We go to click on path, edit, new, and we put the path. That's the name in English, the path. Okay, so we put copy, new, paste, okay, Okay, and okay, yeah, we open it. We open in terminal in this same folder. Okay, I'm gonna show you. I'm opening this exact folder that was created with the recent zip file that I downloaded from the ADB web page. Okay, well, we open this. I put the path of this folder to clarify. Well, we open this, open terminal. Okay. Yeah. Well, we put ADB, and yeah, it's correctly installed. You can see in the video, it's correctly installed. The Android debug bridge version 1.0.41. Okay, cool. Here you can see, wait a moment, here. You can slow down the video to check the I don't know, like official data that throws ADB through PowerShell in Windows. Yeah, perfect. So now we have to connect the Galaxy Watch that is in here. Okay, yeah. First we turn on the Galaxy Watch. Yeah, and we go to, let me focus, we go to settings, we go to developer options that I have already activated through about watched, and I activated in here. In software information, I touched software version like 7 times. Okay, I'm sorry. Yeah, perfect. Yeah, developer options. Then we go to, well, we first activate ADB debugging. Later, we activate wireless debugging for connection with the Windows PC, okay? Yeah, sorry. Oh my god. Well, yeah, allow debugging on this network. Okay, I don't have to show you this. I'm so sorry. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, always allow on the network, and yeah. First, wait a moment. So you can see that it's the same name, okay? It's the same name as the Wi-Fi name, as this. Eknet Mahar, okay? Well, we have show you, I'm sorry. There it is, okay? Yeah, perfect. We put allow, yeah, and later we have this, you know, the device name SMR940 Galaxy Watch 6 44mm, and we have the IP address and port. Okay, well, we put per device first, and in here repeat, I repeat it, is Eknet Mahar. Okay, well, we go in here in this window, and we put, let me search in here because I have in here also, I have the commands. Okay, I'm gonna put the commands. First I'm gonna, okay, Yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna connect the watch. Yeah, we're going to per device. What? Yeah, we're gonna per device. Now it shows the IP address. Last numbers is 44893. I have to do it quickly, okay? Well, 44893. We're gonna put the pairing code 8. Well, sorry, 183 983. Okay. Yeah, we put enter, and it says successfully paired to 44893, the same as here. Okay, yeah, and now my PC is connected. Okay, I have to already tell you that this watch has the same serial number that I have already told you in past videos. Sorry for my English, okay? Yeah, there it is, serial number. Okay, yeah, well, we have to continue. Developer options. Yeah, and there's, oh, wait, yeah, and there's El Mahar PC. Okay, my PC. Okay, well, now we have to connect the last step to connect to the ADB on Windows. Yeah, 42. CD number 42913. Okay, well, okay, we put ADB connect. Okay, sorry. Oh, don't turn off. Okay, ADB connect 192. Well, yeah, this is the number. Okay. We put the port in here, 42913. Okay, 42913. Yeah. Okay, and it says connected 42913. Okay, well, yeah, now we can put the commands so the watch can send to the PC the information that the watch has. I have to clarify that the watch cannot be rooted, or in other words, hacked, because Samsung, since, I don't know, 3 years, a lot of time, yeah, years ago, Samsung has already blocked in his Samsung Galaxy watches the bootloader. Okay, so there's no option in that, for root and to alter the information that the watch gives to the PC through PowerShell. Okay, well, that now is connected, and yeah, now we can put ADB on devices, and my watch is connected 4293. Perfect. 4293. I have to confirm. Yeah, see, serial number. Confirm it to you. Okay, well, Again, serial number, the same as the white card box. Yeah, perfect. No, yeah, yes, perfect. Okay, now we want to put the command, okay, 4293, yeah. There's, okay. Well, we go, we have to first, I have to show you first the product name, okay? Yeah. This is ADB X shell get prop row product model. The model is SMR 940. That is the Galaxy Watch 6 44mm Bluetooth model only. No LTE. No LTE. Okay? Well, let's get to the next command that shows the Android version that has the watch. Okay, ADB X shell get prop row build version release. In this case, Android 14. That is the last update of the watch. Yeah. Okay. Well, we go to now. We're gonna throw this command. ADB shell dump sys battery stats dot txt. Okay, yeah, enter. Okay, sorry. Yeah, now the file is generated. Where is generated? Because this command creates a file. There it is, okay? In platform tools, as I've shown you in the past minutes, there wasn't battery stats.txt, and it was created in what date? 9:51 p.m. 28 November. Okay? Yeah. City time. So it was created now, this file, and the other files, as you can see, were created in 23 April 2025, 6:33 p.m. Each one of them except battery stats.txt, because it has been created now by ADB. Yeah, and it's created in the folder of platform tools. Okay. Yeah. Okay, we continue. Yeah, those files I'm gonna open it later in the video for you to see the information that throws, and that confirms that the battery is not in a good condition. It's in very bad. It's in a very bad condition. Okay. Well, let's continue now. Yeah, I'm gonna copy this. Sorry. Yeah, I'm gonna control B. Yeah. You can see the command, we put enter, and it's created in the same folder. Dump battery now, 9:53. Okay, now I'm gonna do the other ones, but I'm not gonna slow. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna make this command that I'm selecting now, copy, and paste, and enter. Okay, it was created. battery stats, checking, date. Okay. Now I'm gonna create this file, adb.x bug report.zip. Copy. It's generating the file, okay? It's in 1%. It takes a little bit of time, not so much. We have to wait. But I'm not gonna pause the video because you will think it's manipulated. No, it's not. Yep. Well, I'm gonna stay in here. For now, I could show you the files that were created in the folder. Okay. Well, first I'm gonna show you Dom's battery now. Dom's battery now. Yeah. If you can see right now, the charged counter is 292,400. Well, this number, okay? Yeah. That shows you the approximate MAH is milliamperes of the battery, and that is, well, considerably slow compared to the standard of Amazon, that the watch has to have like 80% minimum of capacity for refurbished excellent products that Amazon sells. Okay, so yeah, there it is. And yeah, it shows this. Okay, that's aligned with the information that I have already give you, the video where I test the battery with minimal features, any features at all, even Wi-Fi. I deactivated Wi-Fi, and this watch that I have to show you, I don't know if it can be shown. No, it can be shown. I'm sorry, but well, yeah, you see the serial number in here, okay? And yeah, basically, this battery is defective, and yeah, mostly that. Sorry if I confuse myself, because I have to continue the video for you not to think it's manipulated by any sense. And now we have the terminal. Okay, perfect. Boot report, copy it to boot report.zip. Okay, there it is. It has to be in here. Let me refresh. Yeah, there it is. Boot report.zip, created 9:56 p.m. Well, it has passed 2 minutes, but yeah. And yeah, basically, it shows that the file that I show you, Dom's battery now, it shows the charge counter, the approximate the capacity that has the watch. For reference, 425 mAh is the nominal original mAh for a new battery for the Galaxy Watch 6, so it doesn't like check the 80% capacity requirement for refurbished products in Amazon. Okay, so yeah, this is the file. I have not edited, you have seen. Okay, There it is. Well, I show you now. It has to be closed. Well, I'm gonna open now the battery stats checking .txt for you to see. Okay. These are the apps of installed in the Galaxy, the default apps. Because I have not installed any app in this watch. Well, it takes a lot of time. I'm gonna speed it up. Please speed it. Sorry. This is the battery stats checking.txt. Okay. I'm gonna upload all of these files to the Google Drive folder link that I put in the message for you A to C or seller. Now I'm gonna communicate with the seller. That is the first one I communicate with. Okay. We're finishing. You can see the bar in the right. You can see all of the information is official, the watch. Also, ADB cannot be manipulated for the watch. For Android phones, yes, but for Wear OS, that is the operative system for the watch, not. But with recent phones like the Galaxy S24, the expensive phones, it cannot be like unlocked the bootloaders. So then the ADB that emits the phone, the mother phones with mother Android cannot be manipulated. O sea, the phones cannot manipulate ADB values. So yeah. Yeah, we're finishing. Yeah. Yeah, we have finished. Finally. Now, we're gonna close this file. I'm gonna open battery. Please focus. Okay. I'm gonna open battery stats. Oh my god. This is so long. Well, oh gosh, it's so long. God. Wait a moment. I have to check if... No. Yeah, well, I'm gonna show you this, okay? Because this is a loss of time. This is not an information that you like want to see. Batteries test mostly analyzes the how and when a process is activated. You can see in the words in here, but and it shows the consumption of battery, but it's that these processes just consumes so little of energy from the battery that it's just not worth it to look at it. It literally registers each one of what was it? It registers each one of process, even if it's a little process that consumes battery. But like I don't know, the screen turns off, turns on. But yeah, I'm gonna show you since here, okay, since this point, okay, from this point, sorry, yeah. This is good information for you to analyze the battery, and yeah. This battery has been used 10 days because I was in a work trip. So yeah, my brother picked up the watch in the box. This is important, okay? Look at it. Yeah. Thank you. We're gonna continue. I'm accelerating because this information is not worth it. I already know it, okay? And I don't want to waste your time. Yeah. This shows like AP keys, as you can know, when it was started. Because as the Wear OS cleans itself the OS, the cache to not be slow. Those are things that those are like fundamentals of how Android works for phones, for TV, for watches like the Galaxy Watch. So yeah, okay, sorry. Yeah. No. I'm gonna upload all of this information in the Google Drive link, okay? Sorry? Yeah, here. See it again. Maybe gonna talk. Let's go. Yep, this is the end of the file. Yeah, there's nothing more. The other one was bug report saved. And yeah, that's everything. Okay, we're gonna we're gonna move this file. Okay, yeah, I moved this file because it was the past bug report of the watch, but it's gonna rewrite, so I don't want it. I don't want it. Okay. And you can be confused. Okay. I want to be clear with the process. Okay. And there it is, book report zip. Okay. I'm gonna extract it. Oh no, sorry. Sorry. I'm gonna put Control C. No. Oh sorry. Yeah. All right. Yeah, there it is. Sorry. These were the files that were before in this order. You have already seen it in this video, and these are the what were they? The book report zip, but extracted. Okay. Version 2.0. Main entry txt. Dump state. Okay, say this very carefully. Okay, the watch has not been hacked and is official. You can see it in here. Okay, thank you. I'm gonna close dump state.log. All of these will be uploaded. Okay, in dump state 2, let me see in here. Oh, Notepad is not responding. Okay. No, yeah, he has already responded. Oh my god, no. Well, I'm gonna because of your time, but you can see like this is the Android SD key version and the model metadata version is 34. In other words, Android 14. Okay, you could see, yeah, that the bootloader for this specific model is R940 XXS1BYH1. It's specifically for the that's referencing the specific firmware, the specific operative system for this Galaxy Watch 6, because each Galaxy Watch or even phones have their own specific firmware image of the operative system. Okay, yeah. Well, there it is. I'm gonna upload all of this in the Google Drive link. Okay, yeah. And that's all. That is all. Amazon and Chovis Tech. So you could analyze the video and check. I slow down the video and check each one of the txt logs files. This is platform tools. Okay. In desktop, because environmental values. Okay, this has to be made for ADB to work. Path, edit, see users. Lel M is the name of me in my computer, of my user, okay, in Windows. Desktop, platform tools, okay. So is this file, platform tools, because as you can see in the desktop, there's no other folder that has the name of platform tools. Exactly that name, the platform tools, because in Windows there can be in a same path, in a same place. In other words, there cannot exist two folders with the same exactly name. Okay, and in here is platform line tools. Sorry, I don't know how to translate it, but I'm really trying. Okay, and yeah, that's all. I get up right now. Thank you so much. And this is the watch, okay, that is still connected through about watched. Sorry. Yeah. And this is the serial number. And yeah. Okay. Yeah, and the watch is still connected. As you can see, sorry. And I put developer options first, about phone. Okay. Serial number. Okay. Oh, please. Sorry, my hand. Yeah. Developer options. ADB debugging is activated. Wireless debugging. Yeah. Please focus. Okay, yeah. Thank you. And if I put ADB devices to sync my computer, which Android, I don't know, devices are connected to Windows, to PowerShell, okay, with administrator, is in administrator permissions, okay. I run it like that. You already saw in the video. ADB devices, enter, yeah, and there it is. 42913. See the IP address, okay, thank you. And it's the same. Oh gosh, again. Well, oh please focus. Gosh. Oh, sorry. Yeah. Developer options. Oh no. No, it hasn't shown. No. Candy. Well, yeah. Gosh. 80 beam. Yes, perfect. 42913 and please focus. Oh my god. 42913. Okay? Yeah, the IP address. Look at it. Yeah. And serial number. Okay? Thank you. That's everything. Thank you so much. And yeah. Thank you.